it won't be, but it'll be about, yeah, probably about 20 years old, maybe. What are you filming?
Just a minute film to show. This is what lockdown number 2 looks like. This is M25 into, oh, we're not going anywhere just yet, around London. Okay, guys.
Very empty.
It is a nice road, and it's my first out after 4 weeks. First long drive of the car that was broken before Christmas, wasn't it?
Yeah, you broke it before Christmas.
I didn't break it before Christmas.
Broke the intercooler intake and the turbo.
Yeah. Bless me. That's a weird looking taxi. Oh no, it's not. It's just the color.
Yeah, right. Love. It's their colours.
And I think this is the best time to fix roads when it's locked down. We're near Heathrow Airport. You can see the planes there, guys. Planes. Anyway, that's just what it looks like. It's still a bit busy.
That's quiet even for a Sunday at this time. Normally at 11:30 on a Sunday it'd be
bucked up.
You might not necessarily get big traffic jams, but it'd be a lot busier than it is.
There you go, guys. I'm not pale anymore. If you see my eyes, look, it's a bit better color. I managed to get more than 5 hours sleep last night. Yay!